Hey guys, how you doing? Ray here again. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, it's Nitro Kyosho. Recently I've gotten a lot of questions asked saying, Ray, how do I tone down, dummy down my helicopter? Whether you're just starting out with this style or you've reached the point of a cyclic pitch helicopter, it can be a little confusing. Now, there's a couple of things that you can do to tone these things down. Now, one is you can get heavier flybar paddles. Okay, the heavier the flybar paddle, the more it's going to be mushy. It's not going to be as crisp of a response. Alright, it's going to be heavier and a little doggier. Now if that doesn't work for you, you can get these here, okay, which are going to be hard to see. Alright, and these are flybar weights, and you can put these on there. You can get different weights. And you can put these on the flybar along with paddles, and this is going to make a tremendous difference. Generally, the easiest thing to do, guys, is if you have your controller here, it doesn't matter what controller you have. I would think that it would be called the same thing in any controller, whether it's Spectrum, Futaba, or whatever have you. Now, you're going to go into where it says D/R and Expo. Okay? And you're going to go down, and you're going to have two sets of numbers going parallel to each other. Okay? You want to adjust the numbers on the right-hand side. Those will generally be set at 0, generally, in a controller from a factory. Now, if you go up where it turns to positive, that is going to dummy it down. It's going to be mushy. Okay? It's still going to respond, but it's going to respond slower at the middle of the stick. Now, if you choose to go the other way, negative, it's going to make it increase and make it more responsive. So you're going to just move this a little and it's going Now that's if you want to get some real, acrobatic in 3D. You want to start going negative if you feel you need to. Most of the time set at 0, where it's factory set, is going to give you pretty good sport, to acrobatic flying. My recommendation, to go positive, start out positive at about 34-35%, okay? And do that on your elevator, and do that on the aileron only, okay, in that setting. And between doing that, should be enough in itself, but if you still need to dummy it down more, you can put on a heavier gram weight of the paddles, but remember, you want to go heavier, not lighter. Lighter is going to make it more responsive. And you can also go with flybar weights, okay, that you can get at your local hobby shops. As far as my experience, guys, generally, just by going into your D/Expo and your dual rates and expos, and just going over to the expo side, the right hand column, and if it's set at 0, go up to about positive, plus, it'll say plus, and if you go beyond the 0 the other way, it'll say negative, minus, and if you go up to about positive 35-34%, this thing will handle like a 600 size, 700 size helicopter. Sometimes you can get a little bit bigger of blades. These are the stock Align blades, Thunder Power makes a set for this helicopter that is a little bit bigger, but they're a lot more money. They're about $40 a set, and the little bit of difference, the 1/4 of an inch on each blade, I don't think it's going to make a tremendous difference, guys. Not as much as just doing something for free, going into your controller and positive 35 on aileron, positive on elevator. And like I said, if you still need more, you can actually go up to 40-50%. And if that doesn't work for you, you can go ahead with flybar, heavier paddles, and flybar weights. So that's all I have to say, guys. I hope that this helped you out and gave you a little bit of information on how to tune down your helicopter. And remember, if you want to tune it up, if you want to make it more responsive, then you're going to go lighter paddles, you're going to go negative on the Expo, and obviously you're not going to want flybar weights. I thank you for watching. I hope this helped you out. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, guys, it's Nitro Kyosho. Thank you very much.